Question number 12. The sum of the four consecutive integers is 98. What is the product of the smallest and the largest of these integers? A. 576, B. 598, C. 600, and D. 621. First and foremost here, natin identify yung four consecutive integers. Let the four consecutive integers be first integer and plus 1, second integer yon and plus 2, third and plus 3 is the largest, and this is the smallest. Okay? Next is their sum is given by n plus 1 plus n plus 2 plus n plus 3 equals 98. Combine lang natin yung mga variables natin. N, that's 4n, and then 1, 2, and 3, that's 6. Okay? So 4n plus 6 equals 98. Now, dito sa part na to, magta-transpose lang si 6, and kapag nag-transpose siya, magiging negative siya. So we have the new equation, 4n equals 98 minus 6. So 98 minus 6, we have 92. Then 92 divided by 4, we have the n of 3. So ito na yung smallest natin. Next is, therefore, the four consecutive integers are 23, 24, 25, and 26. And we're talking about the product, okay, of the smallest and the largest. So, ang smallest natin is 23 and ang largest natin is 26. So, the product of the smallest and the largest integers is 23 times 26. That gives you 598 dito sa part na to. Therefore, letter B tayo sa part na to. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.